Okay, good morning students. Now let us discuss total energy of the satellite. In yesterday class, we discussed about orbital velocity and also escape velocity. Okay, now let us discuss total energy of the satellite. Total energy of the satellite. Total energy of the satellite. Expression for total energy of the satellite. So dear students, suppose this is an earth of mass m, of radius r. This is an earth of mass m, radius is what? R. Suppose a satellite is revolves in an orbit of radius small r. Orbit of radius is what? Small r. Please remember it. So this is the height of the satellite from the surface of the earth. Small r is equal to what? R plus h. This is the smaller value. Smaller equal to r plus h, where r radius, h height. Total r is the radius of the orbit. Radius of the orbit. Of course, orbit radius smaller. Smaller is equal to what? R plus. Suppose, dear students, a satellite revolves in an orbit of radius smaller, like this. This is a satellite, like this. This is a satellite, like this. It revolves with a velocity v naught. V naught is what? Orbital velocity. The minimum velocity in which a body revolves in an orbit. That is nothing but orbital velocity. Okay, whenever the body revolves in an orbit, the body possesses kinetic energy and also potential energy. Total, we calculate the total energy of the body, sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. So, we calculate the total energy of the body. Before going to calculate total energy, first of all, what is the value of kinetic energy and what is the value of potential energy? Dear students, please remember it. Whenever the body revolves in an orbit, because of its velocity, because of its motion, the body or satellite possesses kinetic energy. See, V naught with the velocity. Because of velocity, it possesses kinetic energy. So, kinetic energy of the body is given by what? Kinetic energy K is equal to half m V naught square. That is the kinetic energy. See, what is the value of V naught? Kinetic energy is equal to half m V naught. V naught is what? V naught is the orbital velocity, that is gm by r. Orbital velocity, expression for orbital velocity already we know. That is V naught equal to square root of gm by r, where capital G universal gravitational constant, m is what? Mass of the small r is the radius of the orbit. Okay, substituting V naught value in this case, this is V naught square, students. Square root get cancelled out. Now gm by r. So ultimately kinetic energy is equal to what? Gm by 2r. Gm by 2r, students. Okay. See, ultimately kinetic energy is equal to gm by 2 into what is the value of r? R plus h. R plus. So dear students, this is the very most important kinetic energy of the satellite, which revolves in an orbit of radius is r. So where in this case total r plus h is much smaller. In this case, capital R is the radius of the earth and h height of the satellite from the earth's surface. From there, earth's surface. Okay, this is the kinetic energy. See, whenever a particle or body revolves in an orbit due to its velocity, that is due to its motion, it possesses kinetic energy. Moreover, because of its position, the satellite is certain height from the earth's surface, that is due to its position it possesses potential energy also, because of the satellite or body in a gravitational field of earth. Whenever the body in gravitational field, it possesses potential energy also. So potential energy is given by what? Potential energy is equal to gravitational potential energy, already we know, minus g m by r plus h. R plus h. Minus g m by r. Small r is what? Minus g m by r. That is equal to minus g m by r is what? R plus h. This is the potential energy of the body or satellite. Okay. So I want total energy. We calculate the total energy. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy is nothing but total energy. So kinetic energy is what? Like this. Gm by 2 into r plus h minus, actually plus is there, plus minus minus gm by r plus h, like this. This is the total energy. Please remember, student, gm by 2r plus h minus gm by 2r plus h. 1 by 2 minus 1. See, please remember it. Just common is what? gm by r plus h is the common, students. Now 1 by 2 minus 1. Half minus 1. Minus half. 1 by 2 minus 1 is what? Minus half. So ultimately, students, total energy of the satellite minus gm by 2r plus h. This is the total energy of the satellite. That is the total energy of the satellite, students. Negative sign indicates satellite bound to the system. Negative sign indicates satellite bound to the gravitational field of earth. So this is the total energy of the satellite. So very most important expression. Total energy is equal to minus gm by 2 into r plus h. See, dear students, once again please remember it. Due to its velocity, it possesses kinetic energy. Due to its position from the surface of the earth, due to its position of the satellite, it possesses potential energy also. So total energy is what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy is equal to gm by 2 into r plus h minus gm by r plus h, like this. That is potential energy. Total is what? Total energy of the satellite is given by minus gm by 2 into r plus h. Capital M, mass of the, small m, mass of the satellite or mass of the body. Capital R, radius of the earth. H, height of the satellite from the surface of the earth. Okay, this is total energy. Please note this, students. See, kinetic energy like this. This is the kinetic energy. This is the total energy. Only the difference is negative. Only the difference is what? Only negative. See, total energy is equal, please note this, very most important. Total energy is equal to minus gm by 2r plus h is what? Like this, K. This is the important CET bit. Total energy is equal to minus kinetic energy. మనం టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ కనుక్కొని దానికి మైనస్ పెడితే kinetic energy. Kinetic energy always positive, students. Potential energy and total energies are negative. Okay, na? Total energy is equal to Ke. Okay, but Ke is equal to modulus of total energy. Total energy minus sign remove cheste, that is nothing but kinetic energy. That is nothing but kinetic energy. Okay, next. See, dear students, moreover, total energy is equal to minus 1 by 2 GMM by R plus H. GMM by R plus H is what? Potential energy. See, GM minus GMM R plus H is what? Minus GMM by R plus H. Actually, this is the total energy. Total like this. This is what? Minus GMM by R plus H is what? Potential energy. So total energy is equal to potential energy by 2. Total energy is equal to potential energy by 2. Okay. See, potential energy is equal to minus GMM by R plus H. So this is minus GMM R plus, that is nothing but potential energy. Potential energy by 2 is nothing but total energy. Is nothing but total energy. Okay. So total energy is equal to K. Okay, total energy is equal to what? K. So kinetic energy is equal to modulus of P by 2. This is also correct. Kinetic energy is nothing but total energy. Total energy equal to P by 2. Or potential energy is equal to to 2 into K. Of course, potential energy always negative కాబట్టి దీనికి మనం మైనస్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఎట్లయినా ఓకే. Potential energy equal to 2 K. Kinetic energy is equal to P by 2. P by 2. Direct shortcut method. Kinetic energy వచ్చింది నీకు potential energy క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే అందులో హాఫ్ వేసి ఇచ్చారు. దట్ ఈస్ kinetic energy. మీకు potential energy కావాలి, ఇప్పుడు potential energy కావాలి మీకు, kinetic energy ఇచ్చారు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ కావాలి మనకి, potential energy is equal to what on cross multiplication 2 K. బట్ potential energy నెగిటివ్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ అని పెడితే సరిపోతుంది. For example, I will go for one example, students. I will go for one example. See, example 1. Total energy of the satellite is total energy of satellite is minus 10 joules. Total energy of satellite is minus 10 joules. Calculate first one kinetic energy, second one potential energy. Total energy of the satellite is minus 10 joules. Calculate kinetic energy and potential energy of the satellite. So how to calculate? Simple. Dear students, this is solution. Total energy is equal to what? Minus 10 joules. It is clear. Kinetic energy is equal to what? Kinetic energy is equal to modulus of total energy. That is equal to 10 joules. Simple. That's all. This is the kinetic energy. Potential energy is equal to 2 into K. 2 into K in a. So potential energy negative ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని నెగటివ్ సైడ్ పెడితే సరిపోతుంది. So PE is equal to minus 2 into what is the value of K? 10 joules. That is minus 20 joules. That is the potential energy. Okay. Total energy is equal to what? Already given, of course. Total, just check it. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy is equal to what? 10. Potential energy is equal to what? Minus 20. Like this. Minus 10 joules. Like this. Simple method how to calculate the potential energy, kinetic energy. Okay na? Using total energy. Simple method. Okay students? Now let us discuss time period of the satellite. This is total energy. Expression for time period of the satellite. Time period of the satellite, students, like this. Time period. What is meant by time period? What is meant by time period? So represent the letter capital T. Time taken by the body to complete one cycle around the earth is called time period. See dear students, suppose this is an earth of radius is what? R, of mass m. This is a earth. Okay, this is an orbit like this, of radius is what? R. Suppose the satellite revolves at a height of h from the surface of the earth. Okay, what is meant by time? M be the small m. Of course, small m is the mass of the satellite or body, whatever it. V naught be the, like this, V naught be the orbital velocity of the satellite. Already we know V naught is equal to root of gm by small r. Root of gm by small r. Already we know, students. R is what? R is equal to capital R plus h. Small r equal to what? Capital R plus h. If the satellite revolves at a height of h from the surface. Okay, clear. See once again. So let us consider satellite of mass small m moving with velocity v naught in an orbit of radius smaller. What is the time period? Time taken by the satellite to complete one cycle around the earth is called time period. So time is equal to distance by velocity. This is already a simple formula, already we know in lower standards. Time is equal to distance by velocity. Time is equal to distance is what? For one complete cycle is circumference. Circumference 2 pi r divided by velocity is what? Orbital velocity v naught. So t is equal to 2 pi r divided by, what is the value of v naught? Already like this, gm by r square root. Okay, so convert denominator to numerator. 2 pi r square root of small r by g. Clear? So ఈ r రూట్ లో పోతే ఏమవుతుందా? r స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. r స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ r క్యూబ్. ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. 2 pi స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ r లోపలికి వెళ్తే r స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 1 r is there divided by gm. So ultimately t is equal to 2 pi r cube by gm. 2 pi r cube by gm. See dear students, this is what? Time period of the satellite. Time period of the satellite. Okay, clear? See, 2 pi r is what? R plus h by gm square root of. Okay, so this is the, of course, this is the time period, this is also time period. This is the in terms of radius, this is in terms of radius of the earth, this is the radius of the orbit, this is in terms of radius of the earth and the height above the surface. Okay, clear? See dear students, this is time period, squaring on both sides. This is what? Time period. This is what? This is time period of the satellite. What is the height of the satellite? I want height. Height of the satellite. Height of the satellite. How to calculate height? Height of the satellite. I want h. I want h students. Squaring on both sides. First of all, squaring on both sides. T square is equal to C 4 pi square. 4 pi square. Root square cancel out. R plus h whole cube divided by gm. Clear? Okay. T square 4 pi square R plus h whole cube by gm. Squaring on both sides students. E side square చేశాను 2 కాస్త 4 అవుతుంది పై స్క్వేర్ మొత్తానికి స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి రూట్ 2 స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుట్. సో లైక్ దిస్. Dear students, what is the value of gm? Gm is nothing but small g r square. That is the relation between this is acceleration due to gravity, this is the mass. See dear students, what is the relation between small g and capital G? Gm by r square. Gm by r square. What is the value of gm? Gm is equal to gr square. Gm is equal to what? Gr square. Substituting gm value in this case and again direct on cross multiplication. T square into what is the value of gm? Gr square is equal to, this is on cross multiplication, 4 pi square. 4 pi square r plus h whole cube students. Okay, clear? This is r plus h whole cube. So cube is said as the whole power 1 by 3 అవుతుందా? R plus h is equal to, just this is the box. R plus h is equal to what? R plus h t square plus gr square by 4 pi square. Okay, whole the power of 1 by 3. Cube is said as the whole the power of 1 by 3. Okay, only I want h. H is equal to ultimately t square gr square by 4 pi square whole the power of 1 by 3 minus r. This is the expression for height of the satellite above the earth surface. Above the earth surface. Okay now students, this is the height of the satellite. By using this formula to calculate the height of the body above the earth surface or height of the satellite above the earth surface. Okay, so by using this formula to solve the height of the satellite from the earth surface. Okay, this is clear. Okay students. Okay. Next one, weightlessness. What is meant by weightlessness? What is meant by weightlessness? See dear students, weightlessness. 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 Weightlessness means what? The body which have zero weight is called weightlessness. The body which have zero weight is called weightlessness. Weightlessness of the body in a satellite. Weightlessness of the body in a satellite. Okay, dear students, suppose the body or a satellite revolves in an earth orbit. Suppose the astronauts revolves in an earth orbit, the astronaut inside the satellite. Astronaut feels weightlessness. Astronaut feels weightlessness. That is zero gravity. Okay, that is the weight of the body is equal to zero. Is nothing but simply weightlessness. Weightlessness means weight of the body is equal to zero. Zero gravity state. Okay, that is nothing but simply weightlessness. Weightlessness of the body in a satellite. Suppose an astronaut revolves around the earth in a satellite. Okay, see dear students, suppose a satellite revolves around the earth due to the gravitational force of attraction between earth and satellite, which provides centripetal force. See dear students, whenever a satellite revolves around the earth, that is nothing but it is a freely falling body. So the body falling towards the earth's surface, at the same instant of time, gravitational force acting on the body. Due to that, centripetal force will be provided. Due to the centripetal force, body revolves around the earth with a certain orbital velocity. That is nothing but v0. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఒక బాడీ అనేది అర్త్ చుట్టూ తిరుగుతుందంటే అది ఫ్రీలీ ఫాలింగ్ బాడీ కింద కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. అంటే బాడీ అర్థమే పడుతుంది. అది పడకుండా ఏం చేస్తుంది? గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ అనేది దాని మీద యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ సెంట్రిపెటల్ ఫోర్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నా. వాట్ ఈస్ meant by centripetal force? The force which always acts toward the center. That is nothing but centripetal force. ఈ గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ వల్ల సెంట్రిపెటల్ ఫోర్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ అయ్యి దాన్ని ఆర్బిట్లో రొటేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు శాటిలైట్ లోపల ఉన్నటువంటి ఆస్ట్రోనట్స్ వెయిట్లెస్నెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు, జీరో గ్రావిటీ. ఓకే, మనం టీవీలో చూస్తూ ఉంటాం కామన్. ఓకే, ఒకసారి చూస్తే కదా శాటిలైట్ రివాల్వ్స్ అరౌండ్ ద ఎర్త్. శాటిలైట్ రివాల్వ్స్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్రీలీ ఫాలింగ్ బాడీ. సింప్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్రీలీ ఫాలింగ్ బాడీ. అంటే పడిపోకుండా ఏం చేస్తుంది? సెంట్రిపెటల్ ఫోర్స్ అనేది దాన్ని పడిపోకుండా చుట్టూతా రివాల్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. ఆ సెంట్రిపెటల్ ఫోర్స్ ఎందువల్ల క్రియేట్ అయింది? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ మాసివ్ బాడీస్. సో గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ ప్రొవైడ్స్ centripetal force. Due to the centripetal force acting on the satellite revolves around the earth. Okay, see dear students, see this is the gravitational force. Gravitational force is equal to Gmm by small r square. This is the distance between mass of the satellite and radius. The mass of satellite and earth. Distance between small r is the distance between satellite and the center of the earth. That is equal to centripetal force is what? Centripetal force m v0 square by r. This is the centripetal force. Okay, centripetal force. So 1m cancel out. Gm by r square is equal to v0 square by r. v0 square by r. Okay. Simply gravitational force is equal to centripetal force. Suppose ఇది శాటిలైట్ వెయిట్లెస్నెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతుంది, లోపల ఆస్ట్రోనట్స్ కూడా వెయిట్లెస్నెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు. సపోజ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ ఆర్ ఆస్ట్రోనట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద శాటిలైట్ ఈజ్ m1 అనుకుంటున్నానా. ఓకే, అప్పుడేమవుతుంది? ఇది m1 అవుతుంది, ఇది కూడా m1 అవుతుంది. క్యాపిటల్ M మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్. సో centripetal force acting on satellite or astronaut is equal to gravitational force. Please note this. This is equation number 1. This is m1. ఇట్లా పెట్టుకోండి, జస్ట్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేద్దానా అట్లా ఉంచండి. This is equation number 1 అనుకుందాం. Centripetal force provides gravitation. Gravitation provides centripetal force. That's why the body moving around the orbit revolves in a earth orbit. Okay. సో ఒకసారి చూస్తే మనం ఆస్ట్రోనట్ లోపల ఉన్నాడన్నా, వాడు మాస్ ఎంత m1. సో వాడు రొటేట్ అవుతున్నాడు అంటే వాడి మీద ఏమవుతుందా? సెంట్రిపెటల్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం సెంట్రిపెటల్ ఫోర్స్ ఎందుకు ప్రొవైడ్ అయింది? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్. ఈ గ్రావిటేషన్ అట్రాక్షన్ వలన ఇది అర్థం దానికి లాగుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో లాగేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఆ ఫోర్స్ టువర్డ్స్ సెంటర్ కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సెంట్రిపిటల్ ఫోర్స్, ద ఫోర్స్ విచ్ ఆల్వేస్ టువర్డ్ ద సెంటర్. ఓకే, సో రివాల్వ్ అవుతుంది కంటిన్యూగా గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ వల్ల. అట్ ద సేమ్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ, నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఆస్ట్రోనాట్ acting opposite direction, that is upwards. Gravitation force downwards. See dear students, suppose this is satellite, astronaut వీడు astronaut వీడి మీద సెంట్రిపిటల్ ఫోర్స్ గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ ఏం చేస్తున్నా ఇట్లా అవుతూ ఉంటే నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తాం, ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. Okay, net force acting on the astronaut. Net force acting on the astronaut or body. Net force acting on the body is let what person. Net force acting on the person is equal to net force is equal to వీడిలో రెండు ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఒకటి గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్, ఇంకోటి నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ అప్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్. నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను అర్థ మీద ఉంచున్నాను, నా గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్సు అర్థగా యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంటే నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ మనం పైకి నిలబెడతా ఉన్నాను. నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను అర్థ మీద నిలబడ్డాను, లేకపోతే ఏమైంది పడిపోతాను. అయితే గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ కన్నా నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి నేను నిలబడగలిగాను. వీఆర్ స్టాండింగ్ ఆన్ ది అర్త్ సర్ఫేస్. ఓకే, ఏం చేస్తుంది గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్సే చేస్తుంది నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ కన్నా కూడా. So that's why net force acting on the body F is equal to G(m)(m)(1) by R minus normal reaction. Is the net force acting on the body. Now ఇది గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ R square. గ్రావిటేషన్ ఫోర్స్ డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద పర్సన్ అప్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ నెట్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద బాడీ. At the same instant of time, centripetal force acts on the body which is towards the earth. So this is total gravitational force, total net force acting on the body, which provides necessary centripetal force. So that's why, therefore, this is net. F net is equal to F C. F net force acting on the astronaut is equal to centripetal force. That's why the body revolves around the earth orbit. Okay, F net is what? G(m)(m)(1) by R square is minus R is equal to Fc is what? G(m)(m)(1) by C. This is centripetal force is what? Centripetal force. Fc is equal to m1 v0 square by R. This is net force. This is centripetal force. Okay. See dear students, from this equation, m1 v0 square by R is equal to what? From equation 1, Gm(m)(1) by R square. Substituting this value in this equation. Gm(m)(1) by R square minus R is equal to, from equation 1, what is the value of centripetal force? Like this, Gm(m)(1) by R square. See dear students, m1 mass of the astronaut, capital M mass of the earth, G universal gravitation constant, small r distance between body or satellite to center of the earth. Okay, either mass into atom into it is this one, Gm(m)(1) by R square minus Gm(m)(1) by R square is equal to R. Cancel. What is the value of R? R is equal to 0. Ultimately, normal reaction acting on the body is equal to 0. Normal reaction acting on the astronaut 0. Normal reaction లేదంటే బాడీ అర్థం మీద నిలబడదు. The body feels weightlessness. గాలిలో వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటాడు, వాడికి జస్ట్ మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాడు. There is no gravity. There is no normal reaction. R is equal to mg. So ఎప్పుడైతే నార్మల్ రియాక్షన్ బాడీ మీద యాక్ట్ చేయలేదో బాడీ ఫీల్స్ వెయిట్లెస్నెస్. ఆల్రెడీ మనం టీవీలో చూస్తూ ఉంటాం ఆస్ట్రోనట్స్ ఎయిర్లో జస్ట్ ఇట్లా మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు శాటిలైట్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సింపుల్. దిస్ ఈస్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫార్ములా. మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫార్ములా నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్, సింపుల్ 1 మార్క్ బిట్, దట్స్ ఆల్. మిమ్మల్ని అడిగారు కదా జస్ట్ 1 మార్క్ బిట్ అంతే. వాట్ ఈస్ మెంట్ బై వెయిట్లెస్నెస్? వాట్ ఈస్ మెంట్ బై వెయిట్లెస్నెస్? Weightlessness means zero weight. Weightlessness means weight of the body is equal to zero. There is no normal reaction acting on the body. The body feels weightlessness. The body feels weightless. Simply zero gravity is called weightlessness. Okay? Okay, students. This is the very, very, very most. Just 1 mark bit. That's all. The mathematical equation not required. Only just simple 1 mark bit. What is meant by weightlessness? Weightlessness means what? Zero gravity. The body having zero gravity is called weightlessness. Okay? Thank you, students.